Good morning. So just tell me, who will cry when you die? This is a book by Robin Sharma, but I'm not saying it as per his book. I'm just saying for your personal thing. Who will cry the most when you die? I think the people whom you will leave behind will cry for a while because it's a personal loss to them, because it's so many memories are there with your loved ones, with your siblings, with your known people, with your friends, that everyone who knows you will cry at least once. But the thing is, if you are responsible and if you want that your family should not cry, so then this book, my book, The Responsible You, will be responsible for that case, in which you will be giving all your family your will, in which you will be giving all your assets proper planning, and whatever is there in your accounts, whatever is there in your demat account, your assets, your liabilities, you will be handing over to your loved ones, and they will eventually feel gratified that you have done such a marvelous thing for them. Because in India, if you see, there are around 51% of total civil suits, that may be in lakhs, lots of lakhs in number, which are because the person who died has not left his will, has not left the documents which were required to claim their properties, which in India there are around lakhs and lakhs of crores of rupees of properties which are lying unclaimed, just like Bhoot Bangla, and nobody knows whose property is it, and the property which it belongs to, doesn't their siblings or their friends or their younger generation doesn't know that this property belongs to their father or mother or their ancestors. So this book is going to give you some sort of thinking that how you can keep your assets safe even after you are not there. As this book says, taking care of your family even after your death. So, my dear friends, if you want that after your death the family is in peace, not in pieces, just check out this book, The Responsible You. I'm not saying this because I have written this book, but it is a fact that lots and lots of, around more than a lakh crore rupees are lying in banks just unaccounted. There are thousands of crores of rupees lying in PPF accounts unaccounted. Why it is so? Because somebody like you and me have never thought that we are going to die one day, and they have not given the things, they have not documented those things, and they have not thought that how your younger generation or your siblings or whosoever you want to give your inheritance, how they will come to know. Because normally we are locking everything in our phones, we are having passwords, we are having certain security gadgets or security lockings on our devices in which we store all these things, and if something happens to you, all these devices are locked, my dear. So think, and again think what you are going to do to make your family happy even after your death, how to take care of your family even after your death. So start thinking and just read this book, just look at this book. It's available on Amazon, it's available on Flipkart, it is available on Kindle, it's available on Notion Press, everywhere you just write The Responsible You by Rajiv Chawla and Vikas Saxena, and you will get this book. Thank you very much for listening to this video, looking for to this video and watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. There is one more book coming in the way, that is Win in Your Third Inning. So keep on looking for new things. I'm also want to give you one chance to have a call directly with me. So DM me on WhatsApp or on this YouTube channel, and you can have a call with me how you can be the responsible you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.